What's up everyone? Today we are going to do a unique makeup video.
I absolutely love doing my makeup. I do it basically every day, even if I'm just staying in the house for the day.
And I never do my makeup.
I have a lot of practice with makeup.
And I do not. So we are going to do a new versus pro makeup challenge. Our coworker picked out an image for us to both try and recreate.
Hi, I'm Jessica, makeup enthusiast.
And I'm Natasha, mirror wizard.
With Halo looks. Leave a comment down below naming who you think won the challenge. Remember, the goal is to recreate the makeup from the image as best as possible, with no prior practice with the look she picked.
For our video creation, we are using the Halo teleprompter. We're actually recording through it while seeing ourselves.
We have the Canon Mark III and the Olympus on tripods behind our Halo, and that's all you need.
With our dielectric glass added to the ring light, of course, because it's both transparent and reflective, so we can record straight through it, tint-free, while seeing our reflection perfectly.
So let's get started, even though it's hardly a competition.
So I start off with the white.
Look at all that fallout.
I know. I don't know what that means, but sure.
Like, all the powder coming down.
Oh.
It's fallout.
Well, then I had a lot of fallout in this whole video. It would constantly fall down my
That's pretty
face.
blue though.
Ohana set.
I like it.
I wiped my face so much.
That's, yeah.
This is also from the Ohana set.
I like that. I don't have that one.
On to you. Both started on different layers.
I'm so blind.
I got very close to the camera too.
Mine has a lot of fallout too.
Yeah, you were wiping your face a lot too, it looks like.
That pigmentation though.
That is nice. What set was that?
I think that was my Alyssa Edwards by Anastasia.
Ooh.
Either that or it was my Riviera by them.
And now I started using my finger because I gave up on brushes.
That's okay. I use my finger in my face a lot. Not so much my eyes.
You know, it's more darker.
Oh yeah? Oh my.
Yeah, I went to purple and it wasn't very dark.
Yeah, not even a little.
Mm-mm.
I mean, it's a pretty shade, just not super pigmented.
Yeah, I wish it was though.
Told you you could use mine.
Yeah, I know.
Here's my purple.
Yeah. At least we started purple at the same time.
Right? Everyone's got their own style, I guess.
Yep. One day I'll learn a style that actually works. I like how yours actually looks like a triangle on the side.
I could not get that right.
Really? It looks good though.
I couldn't, like, I struggled hard with that. Like, I didn't even want to blend.
Dang.
Oh my.
I basically called myself a raccoon so many times in this video.
I remember Hannah saying something like, you look like you have black eyes or something like that.
Yep. I could actually do those though.
I couldn't. You got me beat there. Your hair looks so red.
Yeah, I liked it so.
It does look nice. The finger kills me.
I kept showing it off that I had like multiple colors on my hand. I tried to get the white, but I couldn't blend it correctly. So I was like,
I mean, you were using your finger.
yeah, that too.
And that brush like scratched my skin.
Really?
Yes. Jeffree Star's brushes, but with like combined with Morph, they're horrible.
Wow.
The only ones that are good are the face ones.
Good to know. You constantly would look over and just laugh at me.
Well, yeah, you were hilarious. It was a lot more interesting than what I was doing.
I mean, yours looks great though. Mine was just, I was just done for after I had to use my finger.
I could have done better.
I love that blue though.
And that one's by Melissa Edwards.
Yeah,
By
these blues,
Anastasia.
they are great.
That one, the bright blue, that was something else.
Oh.
I think that was my B8. No, see, I don't even remember. I feel like it's one I just bought.
I like how slowly sometimes you see Hannah running in the background.
It's so bright.
Yeah, it's great though. It like fits perfectly with the look we were going for.
Definitely.
There I go,
They
trying to
look
use
so
a brush
different.
again.
I see what you mean by the brush. Finger might have been better.
Yep.
Huh.
Like none of my brushes were like giving any like pigment, so I just like said, go back to the hand.
It does work better though, you're right. I mean, to be fair, I've never tried that.
You know, maybe I just need better brushes.
Possibly.
I got like e.l.f. brushes, so
I mean, some of their brushes are pretty decent though.
yeah. Mostly what I use is e.l.f.
I have a bunch of not even like branded brushes at this point.
You got some fallout going out.
Yeah. And that's bad because it stains.
At least you might be able to get it off.
Yeah, I mean, put some shape tape over it, I'll be fine.
It's fun watching you go from doing one eye and then going to the other eye because you can make it look like so similar.
See, in my eyes, I don't think I can ever get it to look like the same. I always have an issue with that. My eyebrows are the same way.
Oh, this, I thought it was lipstick.
Oh.
And I still put it on my face. I was like, it should be fine.
hilarious.
It was brand new. I was like, I don't care.
Either way, it works.
Yep. It made it look goldish.
Yeah, it did. No, what was the point in putting it like that far under your eyes?
I don't know.
Okay.
Because like in the picture, it looked like it was under the eyes, but so I could just like wipe it with makeup remover
Oh, I got you.
and
I
just
got
like,
you. Like shape it after.
yeah. But that pink is like a paint. So like, I have a paint palette apparently it's called.
Oh, is it like paint or is it like makeup?
It's like makeup paint. I don't know if it's
Like,
it's not like face paint. It's like a little bit nicer than face paint. It still has like the like kind of powderness to it,
huh.
but it like was more like potent. Like you could see it more.
Like the pigmentation.
And then
It
I tried the
is.
brush.
It's a pretty color.
Yeah. I had like pink, purples, blues, and I was like, I should have just started with this palette.
A little bit.
Forgot I had it.
It's okay. I forgot that I brought like half the ones I did. Till I was going through and I was like,
Yep.
oh,
There's the blue.
it's a pretty blue.
Yeah. I laugh at myself so much.
That's a good thing. Humor is important.
That is true. Oh. I'm like,
You did a good job cleaning it up.
that's like, I can get that going with the lines, but I'm just like, I can't get the right shape.
I get that. I got so much like fallout in my eye when I was doing that.
That had to have hurt though.
Yeah, my eyes are used to it.
Oh,
Like
that's true.
right there, you see me like go like do an eye roll. That was me trying to get it out
Oh.
without it being obvious.
You did the under the eye pretty cool.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Trying to find something. I'm so unorganized when I do my makeup.
Oh, I didn't even remember to do this.
The eyeliner?
Yeah.
Yep, had stuff in my eyes.
Oh gosh, the lashes drove me crazy. I couldn't like get it to stay on my eye, and then like the paint wasn't helping. I'm like, eh.
I mean, you did them pretty good for the first time. Definitely better than my first time.
I tried to even it out. I was like, maybe do I just rip it off, put more glue on it? I don't know.
I think you put them on the wrong eyelids.
They have certain eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So the part that goes like this side, like inside of your eye, is the shorter side with the lashes.
Oh, yep, didn't do that.
Hey, good shot though.
Mascara faces.
At least I didn't move my tongue all crazy in this one.
That's, you did some.
Not nearly as bad as the other one.
No.
The glitter one, my tongue at one point is all the way out of my mouth. Like, and I can't even like skip that part.
Dang. See, you did nice with your lashes. And putting the eyeliner probably would have made mine look decently.
It makes it look better, yes.
Yeah.
And I've done those a lot, so. But I hadn't done them in a while.
Still looked really good.
Thanks.
But you knew what eyes they go on.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Looking at me like I'm crazy.
You were making me laugh.
It was very warm in here that day.
Yes, it was. I'm pretty sure at this point I had to pee.
What were you putting on your face?
Primer.
Oh, I was wondering.
To make the rest of the stuff stick.
That makes sense.
And then that's a tinted moisturizer.
Oh, here we go with the other eye. I kept looking at it. I'm like, is there glue on here? Hopefully. And the other one's just falling off my eye. And satisfied.
Oh.
Then I don't know
Your
what
face, you look so sad. Oh, that one was me.
I said I'm a warrior. Then in the background you can see the picture.
That one's tinted moisturizer.
Oh.
Because I won't wear foundation. I'm scared it'll give me acne. And bags and
Your freckles are cute.
I can't stand them. You didn't even know I had them until you saw me barefaced.
I know, I was shocked.
Contour.
Oh, yeah. Wait till you see how I did contour. It's great.
See, I fixed my lashes too. It's not just you.
You're putting something on your face?
I'm putting concealer on my face to cover my bags.
Does that actually work?
For the most part. I didn't have the kind I normally use at that moment, but it worked decently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, anything to cover those. I hate my bags. Contouring the nose.
Oh. It looked like you went up your nose a little bit.
I have to do it like at the bottom.
Oh. Oh, there's me putting mascara on the lashes because I didn't know how they stuck together.
That is actually, I do that sometimes.
Oh, okay.
At least you remember to put mascara on your bottom lashes. I didn't.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think it's foundation and I just threw it on my face with a brush.
It's a beauty blender.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a brush.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was switching.
I see now. Is that highlighter? No, that's
No.
still foundation.
You're just doing random.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Whatever works.
Yep. Oh, here it is. There you go.
What's that, powder?
Yep.
Okay.
I was like, I've seen this before. I'll just throw it there.
Hey, it works. Came out good.
This is highlighter. On the picture, it looked like it was shiny there, so I put highlighter there.
That is the correct option. Yep. Shiny is highlight.
Oh, my fan brush. It's a unicorn fan brush, and
I have that.
it's my favorite brush.
I have the whole unicorn set.
So do I.
They're actually pretty nice.
Yes, they are. Oh, there, I'm saying bye.
I like your wave. I didn't wave. Trying to cover those bags more. Highlight, blush. Highlight.
Going back and forth.
Well, one was like not the shiny kind, just a regular light powder. The other one was shiny. Setting powder. Setting spray. Got it in my eyes.
Ooh. And then I think you go back to more highlight.
Yup.
Gotta shine out. Why not?
He's got so much on. I wanted to put it on after the setting spray to make it pop.
Oh, that's true.
And that's a wrap. Here's the final looks.
So comment below and you guys get to judge who wins.
And I'm Jessica
And I'm Natasha.
with Halo Lux.